Hello everybody. In this experiment, I have tried to explain the working of MQ2 sensor, which is a gas sensor. It can detect gas as well as smoke. Okay. In my circuit, I have used LCD screen, a buzzer, two LEDs, and few resistors along with Arduino board. Okay. And this experiment I have done on the software Tinkercad. So here my LCD screen will be used to show a comment that whether the environment is safe or it is in danger. Okay. Through the display I can inform that. My buzzer is there, which will give a beeping sound, and my green LED and red LED will be defining that whether the situation is good or bad. I mean to say that if it's a good condition, environment condition is there is no smoke or no gas, my green LED will glow, there is no sound from the buzzer. Okay, and we'll get a comment on the LCD screen as safe. And if some unwanted issues are there, just like gas is present, my red LED will glow, buzzer sound will be there, and I will get an alert message on the LCD screen. Okay, so this experiment I have done, as I've told you, through the Arduino board. So what I have done is that I have connected my buzzer to the output of Arduino board. Okay, digital output of the Arduino board, and one leg through the register to the ground pin. Okay, this is ground. Why? Because I have connected this plus 5 volt of Arduino board to the breadboard. Okay, and I have taken the lower line as plus 5 volt and the upper line as ground. Okay, you can see I have connected that one. And then for this MQ2 sensor, we are having 6 pins. Okay, if it is on the PCB, then we have 4 pins, that is VCC, ground, analog and digital. But here I have taken directly the MQ2 sensor, so I have 6 pins over here, so either side I can use. So what I have done, the upper side, that is A1, H1 and A2, I have connected to plus 5 volt, and B1, this B1 I have connected to analog input of Arduino, because I will get the analog data from the sensor. And because the upper one, H1, is a given to 5 volt, and this is the heating coil, okay, by varying which we are getting the voltage, okay, because of the gas and smoke. So this the other end of this coil, H2, is connected to the ground, and then over here B2 is connected to the ground through 4.7 kilo ohm resistance. Okay, LED, you know how to connect it, so I'm not describing this one. Okay, through the resistance we can connect it. So two different pins I have connected these LEDs. Okay, now this is digital display, and there are different pins over here. So let me explain this one, how I have connected this. You can see the first one is ground pin, so I connected the ground pin. Next over here you can see power pin, so this power pin is given to plus 5 volt. Okay, I'm clicking it over here, you can see it's given plus 5 volt on the breadboard. Then comes the next one, that is my contrast. So contrast are given to ground. Okay, you can see if I click it, it's given to ground. Okay, so next comes my resistor select. These are given to one digital output of Arduino board. Okay, then I got read and write. So here what exactly things is that I'm reading it, so this I have grounded it. Okay, and then I have taken this pin, that is my enable pin. You can see enable over here. So this is also given to a high voltage over here, high in the sense the output of Arduino board, it has been given. You can see I'm just clicking it out. Yeah, it is given to the Arduino board. Okay, then I get DB0 till DB7. These are the data pins. Okay, so here I'm giving just 4-bit input, so I have taken last 4-bit. I left the MSB side, the upper 4 bits. So you can see DB4, DB5, DB6 and DB7. These are orange pins connected to different pins of Arduino board, that is 8, 9, 10, 11 I have taken. Okay, then I have anode and I have cathode. Okay, you can see this is the cathode part. So as per the need, anode is given to the positive terminal, you can see, through this resistance to the plus 5 volt, and cathode is grounded. Okay, so this is what the connection I have done. Okay, I have written code for this, so let us see the code. So see, I have taken LCD, so I have include liquid crystal.h header file. Okay, and I have defined what are the pins I have taken. So 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 I have taken liquid crystal connected to the Arduino board. Those pins I have defined over here globally. Then for red LED, pin number 2, green pin number 3. For buzzer I have taken pin number 4, sensor, that is A0 to analog input I had given the connection. So sensor threshold I have taken 400. Then I have defined which is output or input. You can see I have defined that. Sensor serial dot begin, okay, it is 9600, this is the baud rate. Okay, then LC dot begin 16 so this 16 means what? This is 16 number of columns and this is 2 number of rows. Okay, now you can see I written void loop, and then I've started my program. Okay, that is loop I have started. You can see over here I have taken an analog value. Okay, and I'm reading the sensor through analog read. Okay, and then serial dot print analog value. I'm printing with this command, I'm printing the analog value, and then I'm compares the analog value with the sensor threshold. Threshold I have taken 400, as I told you earlier. See, threshold I have taken 400. So what exactly I have done is that I'm with the if statement I'm comparing this. If my analog value, okay, which is nothing but the analog read, that is sensor, okay, if greater than sensor threshold, then this lines will be executed. Okay, in this line, what are there? Digital red LED will be high, green LED will be low. Buzzer will sound 1000, 300,000 means this is the frequency of the buzzer and this is the delay. Okay, I will clear the LCD first, then I will set the cursor of LCD, that is 0 1, that is column 0 and row 1. Okay, and the print message will be alert. Then there will be a delay, and then I will clear the message once again, and then I will set the cursor once again, that is at the position column 0 and row 1. Okay, and it will give a message called evacuate. Then there will be delay of 1000 millisecond. Okay, and if the condition is not satisfied, I have else condition. So here I will get this part where green LED will be high, red LED will be low, LCD screen will be clear, and cursor will be set as I have described above. Okay, in the position, and I will get a safe message. Then delay again clear, again cursor will be set, and I will give all clear, and there will be delay. So this is how I have written the code for this. So let's simulate and see whether the things are working fine or not. So I'm simulating it. You can see now it is green LED is glowing, it is showing safe, all clear. Okay, now let me put some smoke on this. So I have a smoke over here. Let me drag the smoke on this. I have dragged it out. Now you can see red LED is glowing. It is writing evacuate alert on the LCD screen, and you can see the buzzer. You may not be able to hear the noise, but you will see some linings over here in intervals. This is showing the buzzer is giving some sound. Okay, so this is how my MQ2 sensor is working, and I can use an LCD to give some comments on this. Okay, let me stop the simulation over here. Thank you for watching my video.